I have another really fun and easy experiment for you to try at home today. This is called dancing cranberries. I'm going to fill up this jar with about 2/3 full with some white vinegar, and then I'm going to add dried cranberries to it. You could also do this with corn kernels or raisins. And then next I'm going to get some baking soda and I'm going to pour it in very slowly so that it doesn't overflow. And what happens is baking soda is a base, vinegar is an acid, and they neutralize each other, which produces gas. And those gas bubbles attach to the cranberries and make them less dense than the liquid and bring them up to the top. But when they get to the top, the gas pops and goes into the atmosphere and the cranberries sink back down. And so they continually do this until the neutralization reaction is complete. Try it at home. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep discovering.